and other in-flight topics in the back of the American Way magazine in your seat back pocket. Cellular and wireless functions must remain off at all times. We'll begin our in-flight entertainment in a few minutes. You'll find a list of programs in American Way magazine in your seat back pocket. Please feel free to use your own earphones to listen to the programming. On select flights, we offer earphones free of charge. On other flights, we'll be glad to sell you a pair for $2. And they're yours to keep and use again. Please be careful when opening overhead bins. Baggage may have moved during takeoff and could fall out.